by and take a look at the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power sunroof, heated seats, premium sound system, MP3 player, home link system, auxiliary audio input, push button start, cooled seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.